Welcome to Antonine International School El Duquana once again. This video tutorial will guide you through downloading the AISMR application on your iOS. On your mobile, go to App Store. Search for the application by typing AISMR in the Search tab. Once the application appears, click on it. Then click on Download and wait. Open it once the installation is complete. Allow the application to send you notifications by clicking on Allow. On the home page, you can easily navigate through the circulars and through the notifications as well. To consult the grades and the fees, you need to log in using the username and the password given by the school. Slide between English and French to choose your preferred language in the Settings button. Thank you for watching. Check the playlist for more tutorials. For further assistance or information, please contact the IT department on it@ais-d.edu.lb.